everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we will see advanced filter options. Here I have some data and here this is my criteria. So I want to filter the data for region India and I have to copy paste. When we use a basic filter, we have to filter it on the place, then copy and paste the data to the other location. But by using the advanced filter, it will sort out as per your criteria and it will paste to the location where we want. So we will see how the advanced filter will work. So advanced filter have some different options, like you can give your criterias, plus here if you want to see the greater the or smaller or equal to the data. So we'll see one by one. So first, this is my data and I want to pull data for the region India. So first we will go to the data tab and then we click on the advanced filter. So once you click on the advanced filter box will open. So here we have action, so we want to copy the data to the other location. So we will click on the copy to other location and this is my list range and this is my criteria. So I want to copy the data to here or anywhere in the sheet. You can click and just click OK. So here the advanced filter has given me the records for region India, that is for March, November, December and the sales. So purposely I have colored it so it is easy to identify that we have three records for the region India and this is the sales and this is the profit. So this is the first method for single criteria. Now we will move on to the multiple criteria. If we want to pull the data for the region India and the product only for ABC. So here you can see for India I have given two products, that is one is ABC and one is XYZ. So I want the only sales and profit data for ABC product. So we will use the same steps. Go to the data tab. So first you click in the data, then go to the data tab, then click on the advanced filter. Again the advanced filter box will open, then click to another location. So my range is my range is already selected. Here you can see. Then we have to select our criteria range, that is region and the product. So now I want to pull the data. So I want the data should be pasted here. So then I will click OK. So now here you can see for the region India and the product ABC there are two records. One is here for the March, the other record is for the November. So it will sort and it will give you the data wherever you want to paste it. So now we will move on to the next one. Here you can use with the greater with the dates or with the greater of the sales or the profit. So here I have just used a criteria for the dates which are greater than 1/9/2019. I want to pull the data which are greater than 1/9, that is 1st of Jan 9 2019. So I will click in the data anyway, then I will go to the data tab, then I will click on the advanced filter, then my list range is already selected. Now I will clear this criteria range. This will be our criteria range and I want to copy and paste the data here. So we have total 5 records which are greater than Jan 9. So here are the 3, 4 and 5. This is our data. So this is, you can use the with the greater than, or if I want the sales, like greater than 2000. So I will use the same, go to the data tab, click on the advanced filter, then copy to other location, then select your criteria. I want to see the sales which are greater than 2000, then copy to other location. So we will see the data should reflect here. So we have got 7 records which are with the sales are greater than 2000. So this is, you can use the advanced filter for the greater than for the dates, or smaller than for the sales or profit. So we have seen now 3 options of the advanced filter. One is for single criteria, the second one is for multiple criteria, and the third one is greater or smaller or equal. So now we will see, the advanced filter should give us the data to the other location. It has to pull the data as per our criteria and it should paste to the other location. So here there is one disadvantage. So when you want to pull the data to the other location, the sheet should be active. So example I will show you. So we are in the data and I click on the advanced filter and the range is selected. So this is my criteria. So now I want the data should be pulled to the other sheet, like sheet number 4. So I will click anywhere, then I will click on OK. So the advanced filter will give me an error stating that you can only copy filtered data to the active sheet. So the active sheet means before you filter the data, your cursor should be on the sheet where you want the data should be pulled out. So we will try from here. So I will click anywhere in the sheet 4, then I will click on the advanced filter. Now my list range is here in the sheet 3. I will select the table and my criteria will be sales greater than 2000. So I want to paste the data in the sheet 4. So I will click anywhere in the sheet 4, then I will click OK. So advanced filter has sorted out the data as per greater than 2000 sales, greater than 2000, and it has pasted to the sheet 4. This is how you can use the advanced filter options with your multiple criterias. I hope this video will help in understanding the advanced filter options. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.